Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a cheeky little unboxing for you guys from the shop KokoKumaShop on Etsy. Now I found out about them through an Instagram post, and when I saw this I could not say no. I needed to add it to my collection of rainbow striped things. Yes, it's rainbow, hint hint. So without further ado, here is the box. This is my address. Let's open it up, shall we? I have had this package sitting here for a little bit, but I wanted to open it with you guys, so I did not open it quite yet, but I'm very excited. It better fit, because I'm gonna be really sad if it doesn't. Alright, so when you open up your package from KokoKumaShop, it might look something like this. So I did order it around Easter time, which makes sense why it has a little Easter thing. That's how long this has been sitting. This is so cute. They have a little KokoKuma sticker. That is so cute. So I think this is probably like a little thing. I don't want to wreck the sticker. I wrecked the sticker. Okay, well I want to know what's in this little bag of goodies. Cute. So this says, thank you so much, please enjoy this coupon for your next purchase. Okay, y'all don't get to see that, that's for me, but they did add some cute little, looks like stickers and stuff. I'm gonna put my coupon over there. So, oh yay, I get a sticker. I get the sticker, so I'm not sad. So you get a little sticker. I have a KK slider sticker. That's so cute. I've got, I think this is a little like froggy eraser. I think it's Lily. It looks like an Animal Crossing character. A little mushroom keychain. That is super cute. A bunny eraser, because, you know, Easter. One of those little stamps. That's so cute. It's little feeties. Adorable. I love that. And it looks like a little pen, which I think is really cute as well. All right, now to get to the actual exciting thing. Let's just throw the box over there. So it is in this super cute like teal color. I love this. This is so cute. Gonna use my scissors to open this part as well. Please do not cut what's inside. I would cry. Oh, I was close. Oh my god. Ah! Okay, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, are we ready? Ready? Okay, you can like only see half of it. This is so cute! Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the KokoKuma Rainbow Cardigan. So good. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I want it on my body. I was so upset that I didn't get the WC cardigan. I'm sure all of you have seen it if you're in the kawaii community and you wanted it. The single rainbow one. I did get the double rainbow one along with the sweater, and I was so sad that I didn't get the single one, but like honestly I think this is cuter because like it's got little heart buttons. Let's get a little close-up of that, shall we? Look at the little heart buttons. They're so cute. I thought they were gonna be plastic, but they're almost, well, they are plastic, but it's like, I don't know, it's almost, what's the word I'm looking for? Like matte. It's like a matte. I thought it was gonna be shiny, but I really like this. It's so well finished. The colors are so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for this cardigan. Okay, that's it. I need it on my body. I need it on my body. Let's get it on my body. I am shaking everything. This is so cute. So I think it is a one size fits all. It is pretty baggy on me. Then again, I do have super tiny noodle arms, which is why I normally cover them up. So this is really cute, and it's really light too. Like I definitely could wear this in the spring, maybe not on hot summer days, but like I do get cold a lot. So this is so amazing. The buttons were really easy to undo as well. The length is really nice as well. I'll put a little video up of me full length so you can see how it sits and stuff, but oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this. Like, go get yourself a KokoKumaShop cardigan rainbow. It's so freaking cute, and it was actually reasonably affordable when I bought my WC cardigan and sweater, because it was from Japan. I did have to pay taxes plus a shipping service to bring it over, and it was like $300. Then again, I did get a few other things, but it was only for like 5 things, so it was really expensive. This was like $80 US or Canadian, which I think is a lot more reasonable. Yes, it is still expensive for a lot of people, but it is still a lot cheaper than like $300 for a sweater. So, oh my gosh. I can't. I'm obsessed with it. I will live in this rainbow sweater. Thank you, KokoKumaShop, for making this. OMG. I will leave everything in the description below, all the links that you need to go get yourself a rainbow cardigan. This is not spons. I bought this because I was sad about things that happened, and this has brightened my spirits. I am so glad that I waited for my reaction on camera. Holy smokes. This is so freaking cute. I love it so much. Anyways, that is all for this video. I know it was short, but I just wanted to throw a little short video because on Friday I have an exciting video coming up. But that is all for this video, guys. So I love you lots, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!